हेलो, माय नेम इज तान्या तिवारी एंड वेलकम टू बस दिस वीक, अ शो जहां हमारा काम है आपके चेहरों पे मुस्कान लाना। कुछ उसी तरीके से जिस तरीके से कुछ बच्चों के चेहरों पे मुस्कान आ गई है जब से एग्जाम्स पोस्टपोन हुए हैं, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई में उन्होंने बड़ी मेहनत करी बट और जगहों पे पढ़ाई नहीं करी। अब जब एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हो गए तो दोस्तों थोड़ी पढ़ाई कर लो, पर जब यहां तक आ ही गए हो तो थोड़ी क्रिकेट और मीम्स लेके जाओ। ऑन द शो दिस वीक, IPL 2021 ई साला, the BCCI annual contracts, promotions and demotions, the streak of corruption, and Babar dethrones King Kohli. Winning the IPL is like that Goa plan. और अगर आप बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज को इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो Maldives plan. I mean, it's one of those plans that always gets made, but not everyone is as lucky to live it. आपने कहानियां तो बड़ी सुनी है, आपने सुना है कि ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है, बट सब कर नहीं पाते। कुछ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स पे अटक जाते हैं, कुछ के फ्रेंड्स उनको अटका देते हैं। RCB is one such team. They've heard so much, they've been there, almost there, but not really there. But this year, have they found the man? Have they found that friend who's not only making a WhatsApp group but also booking accommodations, booking tickets to that IPL trophy? Otherwise, how do you explain this? 3 wins on the trot, the best start to a tournament for the RCB ever. They are at the top of the points table. Have they really found the Anthony to their Amar and Akbar? Have they found the Eddie to their Ed and Ed? Have RCB found the missing piece? By the looks of it, they have, because Glenn Maxwell is on fire. He's done so many things in the last 10 days that he'd not done in years in the IPL. First up, wearing the orange cap. Then lifting his bat up to celebrate a half century, and then contributing 2 wins for his side. Those are all big deals for the RCB, and when RCB play like that, fans and lovers of the game are all praises. But एक टीम और है, वो भी गोवा नहीं जा पा रहे, पर उनके पास तो दोस्त भी था, तब भी नहीं जा पा रहे थे। But Protean fans, I have some news for you. You see, ever since AB de Villiers retired, there were news floating all over. He had to make a comeback. It only grew stronger when Mark Boucher joined the CSA ranks. And now it's only growing stronger. First, Mark Boucher said that he is in talks with AB de Villiers for him to make a comeback to the T20 side for South Africa for the T20 World Cup later this year. And now, Protean fans, hold your hearts. Hold your breath, because AB de Villiers had to say this.
Yes, I mean, we've been talking about it already last year. He asked me if I would be interested, and I said absolutely. Come end of the IPL, we'll have a look at where we're at with regards to my form, my fitness.
Now, if that happens, how cool would that be? Because AB de Villiers is already gleaning so much of this experience of playing on Indian grounds right in the build-up to the T20 World Cup. Because देखिए, Glenn Maxwell अपनी जगह है, अच्छे प्लेयर है, पर डेथ ओवर्स में, T20 डेथ ओवर्स में AB de Villiers बॉलर्स का वो हाल करते हैं जो आपका हो जाएगा अगर आप मास्क नहीं लगाएंगे, और अगर जरूरत नहीं होगी तो भी घर के बाहर जाएंगे। तब प्लीज घर पे रहो, काम घर से हो सकता है तो घर से करो, बहुत ही जरूरी हो तो घर से बाहर निकलो। गोवा मालदीव्स कुछ दिन के लिए भूल जाओ। Okay, honest question. How much did you guys wait for your report cards in school? I mean, I didn't, because जब आप मेरी तरीके से एग्जाम्स देते हैं तो आपको पता है कि रिपोर्ट कार्ड कभी भी आए, मार तो पड़नी है घर पे। But if your report card fetches you crores and crores of rupees, you ought to wait for it. Something like that happens in the BCCI when they release their annual contracts every year. And this year too, with the report card of the players based on their performances in the last years came out, the BCCI annual contracts had some promotions, demotions. Here is everything you need to know about it. First up is the C grade contract, which offers a retainer of 1 crore rupees. Now, there are 2 ways to look at it. If you've been demoted from any further grade down to C, that may be a problem. But if you're promoted, if this is your first grade, that's a matter of some real happy news. Something like this is seen to be happening in C grade as well. You see, players like Manish Pandey and Kedar Jadhav, who were earlier part of the C grade, have now been knocked out. While once the famed Indian spin pair of Kulcha has now been demoted from grade B to grade C. But there's happy news in Grade C as well. Stars of Indian team on that Australia tour, Mohammad Siraj, Shubman Gill, Akshar Patel, all of them find a mention in Grade C, making it a very happy news for them. There are promotions and demotions in Grade B as well, where Bhuvneshwar Kumar, who missed out on a lot of cricket owing to injury last year, has now been demoted from A to B, while Shardul Thakur, India's wonder boy in the last 6 months, sees an upgrade from Grade C to Grade B. Now, Grade A is where things get really serious. These are the players who primarily play at least 2 formats for India regularly. But yet, you will find names there like Ajinkya Rahane, Cheteshwar Pujara, Ishant Sharma, Ravichandran Ashwin. All of them only play one format. But when you play the toughest format in the way these guys do, you ought to give them that place in the A-grade contracts. There's one new name there though. Hardik Pandya has made his way from Grade B to Grade A. Yes, India's premier all-rounder is now an A-grade player for Team India. And now to the best of the lot. A+ grade. Now these are the toppers of the class. Parents ke bhi pyare, teachers ke bhi pyare, coaches ke bhi pyare, sabke pyare. These players play 3 formats for India regularly and the names kind of write themselves. Yes, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli and Jasprit Bumrah find themselves in the elite grade of A+ with a retainer of 7 crore rupees per annum. But BCCI, I have a question. Ravindra Jadeja plays the 3 formats for you regularly. He's a gun fielder in the field, is a gun bowler with the ball and is, well, yes, a gun batsman with the bat. Should he have made it to A+ as well? I'm a Jadeja fan. I'll say yes. What do you say? Tell us using #BuzzThisWeek on Twitter. In cricket, you can make money too. Yes, you can either be a very good player and make it to one of these contracts and earn big bucks, or be like me. Make your captains in the fantasy leagues and make money.
40,000 naira. I'm rich.
But ये सब तो legal means है यार, कुछ under the table तरीका बताओ ना. बस यहीं फंसते हैं आके लोग और यहीं आकर फंसे Mr. Heath Streak, a former Zimbabwe captain and a former coach of many sides across the globe, including the Bangladesh national side and the Kolkata Knight Riders in the IPL. Heath Streak has now been banned by the ICC for 8 years for a host of charges, which includes him not reporting corrupt approaches and also accepting gifts from corruptors. And while it's commendable that the ICC nabs down these corruptors in the game, there are still so many who go scot-free and are still roaming on the outside, ruining this beautiful game. And all that we can hope for is for a day when ICC nabs all of them and the game is squeaky clean. News! Babar Azam has dethroned Virat Kohli from that #1 ODI spot. He's now the #1 ranked ODI batsman in the world. After his 82-ball 94 knock against South Africa in the 3rd ODI, he earned 13 rating points, dethroning a long reign by Virat Kohli at the top of that ICC ODI rankings and becoming the #1 ranked ODI batsman in the world. And when someone dethrones Virat Kohli, especially when Babar Azam, a direct competitor of Virat Kohli, dethrones him, the waves are ought to be made. But Babar, well, was Babar. In accepting this with grace and knowing that it's one thing to become the king of the hill and it's another to stay there. Your Buzz challenge this week is IPL related, of course. अब देखिए आपने मतलब भर का IPL देख लिया. Give me your prediction, your pick for the purple cap holder at the end of this tournament. By first impressions, I would say it's going to be Harshal Patel. What are yours? Tell us using #BuzzThisWeek on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. आप सब चला लेते हो, आपको सब पता है, बस भेज दो. That's all that we have for you on this episode of Buzz This Week. Until next week, please, masks super, hero giri niche. We've got to beat this virus, and the only way we can do that is together.